All around the country, young drivers are fighting back against costly car insurance premiums by joining the black box revolution. With Sky Insurance Black Box policy, you could potentially have a renewal price that comes in at half the amount of your first year's policy. Curious? Click here to get an online quick quote in just 30 seconds. Not convinced? Maybe you've been put off by the myths surrounding black boxes. Let's set the record straight. Myth 1. It's a way for insurance companies to spy on you. A black box does monitor your driving performance, but Sky Insurance does this so they can offer tips and advice on how to improve your performance and help you become a safer driver. And hopefully, you'll enjoy the benefits of a renewal premium that reflects that. And Sky Insurance pledges not to share your data with any third-party companies, so your midnight trip to the drive-thru can remain just between you and them. Myth 2. You can't drive at night. The truth is that some policies do exclude late-night driving. However, Sky Insurance's Black Box insurance does not have a curfew. But there is a greater risk when driving late at night. So, if you do it at a consistent rate, your overall driving score can be affected. Myth 3. Your data will be passed to the police if you've been speeding. Sky Insurance doesn't inform the authorities of your data unless specifically required to for a serious incident. So, if your black box picks up that you've been speeding, although this may affect your score, this is the only reporting that takes place. Although, do remember, there is no good excuse for speeding. Myth 4. Insurance companies will be monitoring the places I go to and use this against me. Sky Insurance care more about how you drive your car and less about where you drive to. Although mileage is monitored, they won't use specific locations to catch you out. However, should your car be involved in an accident or theft, Sky Insurance should be able to track and locate it. It's almost like they're insurance brokers by day and unofficial vigilantes by night. Myth 5. It messes with the electronics and the radio of your car. The only thing a black box requires is a small amount of charge from your battery, like a car radio or sat-nav, so it is highly unlikely that it will affect any of your car's functions. So, this means that you can listen to all the Coldplay you want, if that's something someone wants to do, ever. Myth 6. One mistake ruins your driving score and your chances of a cheaper renewal. A Sky Insurance Black Box policy assesses you on an average basis. This means that they will assess your overall driving, not just one single moment. If there are any repeated driving errors, then they will contact you to talk you through it, so you can take charge of your score. So, if you do have to brake hard in an emergency for some baby ducklings, rest assured you won't be penalised, unless you seem to be in that situation on a regular basis. Bonus myth. All the conversations you have in the car will be monitored. Yes, people actually believe this. A black box is a small device that is usually installed under the dashboard, and Sky Insurance guarantees that a microphone is not part of this device. They care about your driving and aren't that interested in hearing your performance to your driving playlist. Did you know, with a Sky Insurance Black Box policy, you get your own personalised dashboard where you can check up on your own driving stats and habits? Think about it. Wouldn't you rather pay a policy based on your own driving habits than the mistakes of others? So, if you're a young driver and you're interested in a Sky Insurance Black Box policy, you can find out how much it would cost you with a 30-second online quick quote. Try it out for yourself on their website.